Hey everybody, Scott Davis here, coming to you for Quick Weight Loss Centers of Atlanta, QWLC.com. You know, I lost 132 pounds on their program, 100 pounds in the first 6 months without exercise, just eating right. They teach you how. It's a great plan. But I'm back on plan, and I want to show you what I make for my afternoon snack, a strawberry smoothie. So come with me, check it out. Okay, let me show you my little setup. I got my blender right here. Of course, that's a Vitamix. You don't have to have a Vitamix. You can have whatever kind of blender you want. Got a little bowl for my strawberries. I got a little ice because, you know what? I like it to be thick, almost like ice cream. It is a protein shake, but I like substance. You know, I didn't get big by accident. You know, I ate for bulk. So I like to, you know, feel like I'm eating something. Got my strawberries, Laura Lynn. This is not a plug for Ingalls. And there's their milk, skim milk right there. And of course, the Quick Weight Loss vanilla pudding, which is a protein type powder. You can make it as a pudding if you want at night. And it's got all the nutrition facts right there. And it's got 30% protein, 15 grams of protein. Awesome stuff. So now let's make me a protein strawberry shake. Okay, so the first thing I do, take the lid off your blender, take your measuring cup and your skim milk, take that top right off, and then measure out. Now this is different for different people. Quick Weight Loss, when they meet with you, they're gonna customize your plan and tell you how much skim milk, if any, you get per day. I happen to get 8 ounces. That's what's cool about it. They do it customized for each person to maximize your weight loss, which is very cool. So I pour that into my blender, 8 ounces of skim milk. Then I take my protein powder, shake, pudding or shake. We're using it for a shake this time. And shake that up real good to get it all down the bottom. Then we're gonna open that baby up. Uh-oh, it looks like smoke in here or snow. I'm gonna take that and we're gonna put that in there. You might see some white powder. That is protein, not any other kind of white powder. We only do white powder that's good for you. Then we take our strawberries and take out 12 small strawberries. 12. So there's 3, see, they're small. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They're really tiny. You know, sometimes, listen, I'm not perfect. Listen, I lost 132 pounds doing this, 100 pounds in the first 6 months, and I wasn't perfect. Some of those are real tiny. I might have, my wife said, don't get those large ones. Well, I'm going to put in a few in there, because I'm going to put that in there. So I dump that into my blender like that. Then I like to make it thick, like I said, like I'm eating ice cream. So I put in a good bit of ice like that. Then I put my top on, and then I started on low. Turn all that off like that, and I'm telling you, look, it looks like ice cream. Here, I'm not gonna do this on camera, but I'm licking that. Man, that is good. It's like ice cream, strawberry ice cream. So then get you a nice big glass. So hang on, I get a glass. So I have these old glasses, you know, that you can get at the grocery store. It's large, it's huge. And I got me a teaspoon, because then I'm gonna pour this baby in here. And let me tell you what, it is thick. I mean, you can see that. It is thick, nice. And you can just pour that out. I switched hands so you can see this better, but it comes out like ice cream. I mean, it is thick and good. Whoa, man, it went everywhere. So let me show you the end result. See here, it is a protein shake, but it's like strawberry ice cream. It is good. It's awesome. You're not supposed to talk with your mouth full. My wife taught me that. But it's awesome. And this is a snack, people. Look how huge that is. It's huge. And it's awesome. It's a snack. QWLC.com. Check them out. I lost 132 pounds with them. And now I'm back on it because I went off the program and cheated, and I shouldn't have. So check them out. QWLC.com. And I think you'll love it. This is Scott Davis coming to you from my kitchen. Check them out. Man, I left a mess. Donna can clean it up.